The last part is about the Chinese education. It includes the structure, reform, characters, and challenge. This is structure of current Chinese systems. Include primary school, junior middle school, senior high school, and university and college. For the primary school and junior middle school is compulsory. You need no pay. But for the senior high school and university and college, you should support by yourself. This is the typical age, but just mean typical, yeah. Nation higher education is very important for each of China students, because the nation higher education entrance examination now Chinese is Gaokao is an academic examination held annually in China. This examination is a prerequisite for entrance to almost all higher education institute at the undergraduate levels, which usually taken by students in the last year or senior high school. Also, the examination is the competition is very intense, because actually the education resource in China is limited, and the quality is very large. Yeah. The overall mark received by the student is generally a weight sum or the subject marks. The maximum possible marks vary widely from year to year, also vary from province to province. The characters of current Chinese higher education: fixed, expanding, stratification. This data is 2013. The institute providing postgraduate programs is 830. Regular higher education institute 2014, 491. Adult higher education student and institution is 200, almost 300. Other non-government higher education is 800.
They are the universities, higher education institutions?
Yeah.
Universities?
Universities include different type of universities. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, the big higher education systems. There's a number of students in higher education institutes, about 53,000, and master degree is almost 416,000, and undergraduate in regular is 6 million. Undergraduate in adult is about 17 millions, and web-based almost 15 millions. Foreign students, 91,000.
What is the difference, regular HEI and allowed HEI?
This and this. This regular, you should pass the Gaokao, the undergraduate student, just like the entrance examination. The adult, just like you want to improve yourself, you didn't know the pass the examination. Yeah, you just pay. Yeah.
So that figure is per year, 1 year.
Which year you mean?
Yeah. So this
every year, yeah, 1 year. Yeah. And this electric expanding systems, this the enrollment or regular higher education institute. We can see it increased quickly. And this is age depend. You have a age dependent pattern. More and more young people attend the higher education. Certification, I don't know what about Japan, but in China we have kin school system, also kin university places. We have national kin school, province kin school, county kin school, or kin class. For the higher education, we have different projects. For example, the project 211 build up one top. It launched in 1995. Build up 100 top level higher education institute and kin discipline for the 21 centuries. Project the 985 launched in 1998, aimed at developing 10 to 12 world-class universities plus a number of renowned high-level research institutes. The project 2011 and improve the national creativities, education, inequalities in rejuvenating the country through the science and technology and human resource development. This I mentioned at the first slide. Our university was selected as one of the project 2011. So he will get a strong support from the Minister of Education and the Minister of Finance. Will get a quick and high-speed development in the next decades.
So which university was selected as the project 985? 10 to 12, the world-class university was selected.
Yeah, in China they have a team in C9, just like Beijing, Peking, Tsinghua.
Beijing University.
Yeah.
Tsinghua University.
Tsinghua University and Nanjing University, Fudan University, Shanghai 交通, Shanghai 交通, Zhejiang, yes, Xi'an 交通, and Harbin Industry, Harbin Industry Engineer, engineer, so yeah.
So how about your university was not selected?
No. But fortunately, the last year, yeah, this is a pyramid of the higher education system in China. 211, 985, and 2011 project. Before our higher education in the 21st centuries. In 1998, the Chinese government proposed expanding university enrollment of professional and specialized graduate and develop world-class university. In 2007, some of the top Chinese colleges stand independent enrollment. In Japan, all the universities had independent enrollment, right? But China, most of them, they should have the same examination. In 2010, the education minister in Guangdong province began to implement parallel simultaneous admission in college entrance result recruiting systems, which is an efficient way to decrease the risk of getting into the college for majority of students. In 2010, the education minister of China canceled the additional Olympic point in college entrance exam place. It fair for high school students, and the inflation reduced the heavy academic burdens for students. Before, if you have good performance in the Olympic competition, you can get more when you in the exchange exam. The challenge is quantity, quality, and equity. This is the gross enrollment rate in 2007 and 2017. The total enrollment. If the GR is percent 32, the total enrollment rate will 14.3 million, so large. If increased by 5% every year, will reach 51 million. This is the increased or the enrollment. This quality, yeah, we should pay more attention on the employment and career activities for Chinese students. Equity, and Chinese government have made some strategy to support the less development provinces and to support the disadvantaged students. Or acknowledgement. The declaration image and videos from this resource, and data from the Minister of Education or the People's Republic of China. Okay, thank you.